Hey everyone, it is Dani'i and welcome to this update video. I hope you guys are doing great this evening. And so of course I'm here with the latest in terms of what is happening across the Caribbean. And as you would have seen from the thumbnail and the title, Haiti is flooding. There is a lots of activity right now over the country, and that is really helping to induce flooding rains there because it has been persistent. And so of course I'm going to be giving a brief update on the entire Caribbean region this evening as well. So before I do so, of course, if you're not subscribed, please do so that you never miss an important update on what is happening out there. And so let's go ahead and get straight into it. And so as we take a look at the satellite imagery, we can see here that we've got quite a bit of activity over Hispaniola. So it's not just Haiti, but also the Dominican Republic is being impacted by this rainfall activity, particularly the western side of the country. But as we look at other regions, we can see that there isn't much going on right now in the vicinity of the Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, going around to the ABC Islands. We're not seeing where too much is going on this afternoon. A bit of activity near Tobago, Trinidad, maybe some spots of cloudiness and maybe a bit of shower activity, but not seeing any major convection over the area right now. But that is what is happening over in parts of northeastern South America. Lots of convective activity across diverse places in sections of Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana as well. Going to Central America, some spots of showers and thunderstorms developing this afternoon. Jamaica looking mainly in the clear, maybe some afternoon showers at the most, but nothing major over the country. Maybe some overcast conditions for the Cayman Islands and a bit of activity developing in sections of Cuba. But for the most part, there isn't too much happening across the Caribbean. But as we go to Hispaniola, again, there we have that blob of activity, and that is the reason Haiti is experiencing all this flooding, because this has been persistent since yesterday. So it is really resulting in the soil being very saturated. That coupled with weak soil as well, because of course when there aren't a whole lot of trees, that helps the soil to be easily washed away when it rains heavily, and that can also lead to flooding. So lots of activity taking place right now from that widespread rainfall event that was more to the west, so it's drifting a bit to the east now, and Haiti and Hispaniola is being impacted. Of course I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of clips from this, so stay tuned for that. But I want to also briefly talk about Arlene. So Arlene has weakened to a depression, and it should become post-tropical very soon and eventually dissipate. It is looking pretty naked, same story as it was this morning, but we're definitely seeing that counterclockwise rotation. And then of course over in the eastern side of the storm, that is where we see a bit of activity. But for the most part, not much going on with Arlene. Not much more is expected from it other than it really dissipating. So let me show you guys the clips of what is happening in Haiti. And so guys, there we saw it. Lots going on. My prayers are with the people of Haiti right now, because these floods aren't to be taken lightly. This is why I always emphasize the importance of taking the necessary precautions and not taking any unnecessary risks. So of course, stay tuned for tomorrow's updates video, where I will be going into details about what is happening and what is expected for the coming weekend. So that is it for now, guys. And of course, remember to always be weather-wise.